What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the new remote control bottle tank, which you can buy from Amazon and from eBay and some other online store that you can buy. This tank, I got this for my boy Tisoy, and that's my boy Tisoy. Say hi.
Hi.
And then we're gonna test this out. This remote control bottle tank, it has a turret. Turret
I can feel it. I can feel
left and right functions, and it has a sounds, and you can put a double A 1.5 battery, but battery is not included. So it's a camouflage design, the durable plastic that it came with it. So as you see, so it comes with a 3.7 volts battery. The product uses 3.7 rechargeable battery. It's not included, so you need to use the USB charging cable, which is the C-type. It came with USB and a 1.5 AA that you need to use to the remote. So the model is DH 666 and then 67B. This is the model that I got for my boy. And there are a lot of models that you guys can choose. This is made in China, a knockoff product that you can buy from Amazon. This RC, so it has a RC radio control and a function, so left and right, and a track design,
Gotcha.
and a lights and a 360 rotations. It's 2.4 hertz. So I have the battery. My boy Tisoy gave this battery to me. Let's test this out. So as you see, they still have scotch tape, so we're gonna open it up. So this toy can be used to age 6 and up. So we're gonna open it up. Open it up to this side. I'm gonna use my knife.
Please open
Okay, let's see. This is the actual tank. In order for you guys to remove, so you need to remove the back, the screw. So my daughter will remove this for her brother Tisoy. So we're gonna remove the back as well, the plastic screw counterclockwise to open it up. So that's my boy Tisoy, and that's my daughter Ate. Say Tisoy will love and enjoy this. So as you guys will see, you see this you see the wheel. It's like a rubberized wheel. So this one, you can use it for an off-road, for the rocks, gravel, and sand. This one is a good tank, so we need to remove this. We need to remove the screw. So once you guys open the back plate of this tank, so it has the screw. So I use the Phillips cross screw, and this is the battery. So it came with a 2 battery. One is an extra. So this one is a 14,500 or 500 milliampere, 3.7 volts, 1.85 watts. So it has 2 battery that it came with it. So one is probably an extra. So we're gonna try it out. This is the USB that I'm repairing a while ago. So all you need to do, you need to plug this in to your cell phone adapter, while you need to plug this into your battery to recharge it. Once it's fully charged, you need to attach this to the tank. Okay, so my boy Tisoy removing the screw for the remote, and then he's gonna put the 2 AA battery. First, the other battery, Tisoy. We already prepared the 2 battery, so he's gonna removing the screw while I'm pouring this. So I need to put this like this.
Got it.
Okay, so already snugly tight. Okay, you already put it in. I already snugly tight. I already put in the battery, so I need to store it inside like that. While I'm gonna place back the cover.
Dang it!
So my boy removing the
God.
cover. So I already removed this. The battery should go. The positive goes. Let me check. That's not good. That's not good. This is the positive and this is the negative to the bottom. So the negative should go to the spring, while the that's wrong. You need to put it like that. Now this one is perfectly installed. So we need to place this back again. I'm gonna let my boy to place this back. Place this back again.
I just told you to put it.
Place it back. So you need to drop this in, lock this in place, and then place it back the screw. And you need to snugly tie it. My boy Tisoy putting this screw right now. Okay. This is the best remote control battle tank. So it's a camouflage color. So the tires is designed for all terrain, for sans gravel, okay, for concrete and everything, so on and so forth. Okay, that's already been snugly tied. That's it. So after that, we need to place this back. Okay, so after you place it back, the lead cover for the back, so you need to put the screw. So my boy Tisoy will place it back the screw. That's Tisoy. That's it. Now that's what it look like. It's all terrain.
It's going on out here.
It sounds really great. It's like the real tank. And this toy is huge for kids. Very nice. It's like a real tank. The camouflage and the color itself, it's really beautiful. Even the fire, shoot the fire. So it has a button that you can shoot the fire. Shoot. So it has a replicate that it shoots a fire. See? Go. Shoot the fire. No fire. It's my boy. Okay. There you go. Do you like it, Soy? So my boy likes it. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel interesting and helpful, you can buy similar to this or almost the same product like this product that we got from Amazon. So it costs $30 only. Thanks for stopping by. Kindly share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Kindly share, subscribe, and like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. And that's a remote control battle tank. Hey, God bless. Bye for now, guys.